Hi, so I'm Megan, and I'm a mom of three and a lover of good quality products, especially kids' products. Today, we're going to unbox some Melissa and Doug toys. I'm really pumped. I love Melissa and Doug and think that they have really good quality items. So let's take a peek at what's inside.
Yeah.
Really big box, and I'm just a little lady here. Ugh. Okay. Let's see. Okay, lots of good items here. We have the match and roll shape sorter. Melissa and Doug has a lot of really cool different types of shape sorters, and this is the first time I've seen this one, so I'm really pumped about that. Okay. Oh, this is so cute. Stainless steel pots and pans, very realistic. Comes with this cute holder and a little spoon and spatula, super cute. Okay. Oh yeah, my son would love this. This is the rescue mission dashboard from Paw Patrol. Very cute. And then we have ice cream play set. Lots of different flavors, this cute scoop, cones. Very, very cute.